All right.
Today, we are dumping some balls down our stairs, right there and right here. And this is the things you're going to have to find. Solly, get your stuff.
2 Ren and Stimpies. Show them to the camera, Solly.
Leo is Stompy and he's friend of...
Ren and Stimpy. And Vi, what do you got?
I got two
princesses.
And one's named Cinderella and Elsa.
All right, put them in the bin. Hide them well.
No, you don't find them?
Well, when you dump them, we'll find them. Ready? Set. Go. Hang on. We gotta get. Hang on. We gotta get some commentary from Gene Bean. Gene Bean, what do you think? What do you think, Gene Bean? You ready for it? Go. Princesses, oh my! Oh, there she is! Wow! All right. Good job, guys. We got all. Did we get the Ren, the Snippy, and the Elsa, and the Cinderella? Yes, we did. Look at that. All right, let's collect them all.